Okay, so we took a ride a couple days ago up the creek and back, and we just played around on some banks and stuff, and it was only like the third ride the wheel horses had out. And I parked it, with the other ones, and then come back out the next day, and there's a huge oil spot. Like, you can't really see it now, but it starts here, goes all the way around, and it literally leaked all of it out. All my tranny fluid. So now, which that's okay because I needed to change it anyways. It was really caramel, rusty, nasty looking. So I guess I busted a seal in here and there that I'm going to have to replace. So my next battle was trying to fight this hub off. So I guess we're going to see how that goes. I always heard they were a pain, but I'll try it out and see what happens. Okay, so my setup so far, I wrap my chain around the back of the hub and try to get it to come around even so I don't try to twist it or get it in bind too much or anything. Put me a socket on my axle so the jack can kind of use that to pull it on through. It's really not the best way to do it, but it's kind of the only way I got. I don't really have the things I need to really do this. It's homemade rednecky, I reckon. Got my little torch. It's probably not going to do anything, but it might. I'll just leave it here for a while. Actually, it's moved a little bit, so I think that this is actually working. I'll let y'all know in a little bit. Okay, so I've been at it a little bit over an hour now. Still laying heat, PB blasters here, and actually almost got it out. I'll try to set it up with this beeper socket. Hopefully pop it the rest of the way off. So we might have got it actually. Look at that. That's hot. I'd say that is a hot hub. I think I'm gonna let that cool off. Actually, I'm gonna let everything cool off. can start cleaning this axle up and getting it ready for new seal.